How y'all doing? How y'all doing today, boys and girls? I'm basically gonna show you guys a recap of the trade that I took today. I have it live. I'll post the live after the video. But it was a trade that I took on the S&P 500. I thought I was taking on the Nasdaq. I recorded it live, but that it was like 2 hours long. I don't think it's suitable for any of y'all to be sitting and watching my video specifically for 2 hours. Mind you, I wasn't even in the video for a good hour 30 for the video. So I was like roaming around doing all types of things. But yeah, I'm basically gonna show you guys the trade that I took. Hope you guys had a blessed day, had a blessed trading day. And yeah, I made about 1,500 on this trade. No, I don't think I made 1,500. Probably like no, I made 1,200 on the trade. Hold on, made 1,200 on the trade. Yeah, calm little trade that I took today. So let's get into it. I'm gonna explain my bias, what I had going into the day. Yeah. So in the beginning of the day, I recorded this live, but I basically had an SMT for Nasdaq and ES because Nasdaq was unable to take what was it, 8 session highs. So yeah, it was right here. This was the trade that I was taking in the beginning of the day. Um, Hold on, let me just make sure I'm not bugging. Yeah. First thing I had was an SMT. That's why you see here liquidity was taken here. Like you see the little like purple and blue. This means they swept liquidity. Blase blase. Yeah, whatever. Boom. You guys know what an SMT is. But yeah, when one corresponding asset takes a high and the other doesn't, or a low and the other one doesn't. But yeah, we had an SMT here. I'm gonna remove the SMT, but you get the gist, right? So we had an SMT. I was thinking of going bearish on the day. No, I was thinking of going bullish on the day. Regardless, I was thinking of going bullish because if you see on the left hand side, we took liquidity over here. It wasn't a session low. It was just basic liquidity. You see, there's a bunch of liquidity generated here in this little breaker block area, right? So boom, and we also created a 1 hour inverse for value gap with a change of character, or if you want to call it a CISD, I changed that earlier, a change in the state of delivery to the upside, right? So I'm already looking for longs in this position, right? Going into the day though, one thing I did not pay attention to was that this 15-minute could also be seen as a 1 hour, right? And that 1 hour was very much respected. So if I were to have put this as a 1 hour, I probably would have found one trade and then kept it going for the day and probably got my TP hit probably around like 10 o'clock. Feel me? But then again, it was like, all right, cool. But there were multiple opportunities today to go long. Multiple opportunities today to go long. There were three actually. I'm sorry, 3 opportunities today for somebody to go long, and I saw them all play out. But I took a short, which is fucking crazy, but it's whatever. Yeah. I'll explain every single opportunity once I'm done telling you about my bias going into the day. I was looking for price to retrace into one of these zones. This is what I was looking for because as you see here, we had a bunch of consolidation in this area. So I was looking for price to go boop, boop, continue consolidating, then take a high, then drop. And that's what it did. It was consolidating. And as you see here, liquidity was taken as it touched into this high and then boop, dropped. It dropped into the 1 hour and then instantly reversed. Could have taken a position right here, and I'll show you. This right here from this inverse for value gap. Boom, respected. Could have entered right about here. Go for a little 1-to-1 RR. As you see here, price came, respected this, and take the 1-to-1 RR into this 2 hour fair value gap. Boom. Hold on, sorry. Little 1-to-1. But that's a quick little trade. Feel me? There was another opportunity to go long. And it was also in this 3-minute. If you wanted an even better R. You know what I'm saying? Come down, this, here, here, and same thing, but you could target this high. Boom, go for a nice 1-to-4 R. You know what I'm saying? Multiple opportunities to go long today. So I decided to go short because I saw on the left hand side, and this is what I pointed out, everything keeps moving. All right, boom. We had the swing high to the swing low. Basically, this changed the state of delivery, changed structure overall. We were consolidating a little bit. We were looking to go higher, but instead price decided to drop. So as you see, I put my swing high, the fib retracement, or the equilibrium, the gone box from the swing high to the swing low, and we were already in premium zone. This is a very premium zone to be in. So I was thinking, all right, cool, we're definitely looking to go long. All right, all right. So I waited for price to create a change in the state of delivery. I just stuttered crazy. I apologize. But I waited for price to create a change in the state of delivery. Now this turned into an inverse. We might even bounce off this and keep going up because as you see, we've been disrespecting, but who knows? Um, we created a change in the state of delivery on the 5-minute time frame. We created a 5-minute fair value gap. So once we retrace back into that fair value gap, I looked to enter. We had strong displacement to the downside, as you see here. Very strong displacement to the downside as price was coming up. I knew immediately this was a sharp rejection. We tapped in 3 different times. I was like, yeah, we're definitely going short. So once I saw that, I entered immediately, no hesitation. Let price do its thing, came up, came down, and I went break even after here and not here. I did not go break even. Hold on. I did not go break even here because they fucked me up on spread. And on top of that, boom. I did not go break even here because this wasn't a sharp candle close for me. And if I go in the 15-minute time frame, it didn't look like strong conviction in my eyes. So I was waiting for price to retrace, do what it had to do, tap into this 3-minute, whatever it was looking to do, or retrace back into this 5-minute, take the liquidity, then drop even further. That's what I was looking for. But it didn't do that, but it did tap back in and then continue to drop. I was looking for price to do that, and then regardless of it, it slammed down anyway. So after that, price kept going, and first my target was into this 15-minute, but then I saw that price actually was definitely getting weaker, and I was getting a little hesitant. So I was like, you know what? Let's just take partials here. Let price do what it wanted to do, but in the system, it didn't even take partials. So instead, I just took my position here at TP at this liquidity zone on the 15-minute time frame. Boom, and that was the trade. And another trade that you could have gone long in is once we took liquidity here, we had a 1-minute inversion. Was it a 1-minute or 3? We had a 3-minute and a 1-minute, but I'm trying to find the 1-minute because the 1-minute. No, I think it was just it was just 3-minute. I'm sorry. 3-minute inversion right here. This is crazy though, because like the candle really shot up crazy. So that's like a really, you would have probably had to look at the 1-minute if you wanted to tap in. But regardless of it, you could have still got a nice R. Go long here, stop loss down here at this low, and TP back up at these highs. Which it was actually so close to touching. Or if you don't, I usually go for the body. Unless it's like actual liquidity points. I prefer going to the body, but regardless of it, it doesn't even matter. Because I believe price is going to continue moving up. So this is just a test of psychology to see where your head is at. But yeah, that's a trade I took on the day. Pretty calm trade. I'm gonna show you guys the execution when I'm done with the video. I'm about to head out to work in a few. I just wanted to make a video and show you guys that I'm not saying the losing streak is over, but we're definitely just trying to figure out more entry points, trying to better our entries, not make the entries so complicated, and just learn how to trade better overall. If you guys want to learn, not my strategy, but like where I be getting my strategy from, I watched this person named Smart Risk, pretty great guy, makes everything pretty simple. I watch a lot of ICT people too, but I don't like to watch a bunch of people because I don't want them to mess up my strategy or make me think that their strategy is better. There is no better strategy. Everyone has their own strategy. Just stick to your own, stick to your rules, and you will be very much successful in trading. So, yeah. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care of your families. Be safe. And always love.